Particles like electrons, described by the wave function, exist in the superposition of all states until measured. Schrödinger's cat that is dead and alive simultaneously. Particles, they are not small balls flying in space around the nucleus. This is the biggest crime physics teaches us at school. But anyway, particles are waves until we measure them and get a certain state. But where do other states go? Do they disappear? Mathematically, wave function cannot collapse, as early quantum explanations tend to say, so-called Copenhagen interpretation by Bohr and Heisenberg, who didn't answer how and why the wave function collapses. Because it didn't. If mathematics says wave function doesn't collapse, then it doesn't collapse. That's it. It means those so-called lost states of particles continue existing somewhere. The question is where? Hugh Everett III in 1957 proposed that there is no collapse of wave function, and when the measurement happens, the wave function evolves into separate non-interacting branches, one for each possible state or outcome. Each branch is as real as ours. Hence, the reality as a gigantic superposition of all states of all particles becomes a branching world. And I would dare to say that it doesn't split at the moment of measurement, but it already exists in all the infinite versions, because an infinite amount of spaces of all dimensions exists already in every point of any space. We just choose which one we transit at the moment of measurement. This way, we can give another definition of reality, a superposition of the whole material world. At the moment Hugh Everett suggested his interpretation, he, just a student of Princeton University, was mocked by scientific society. And yet, 60 years later, his multi-world interpretation of quantum mechanics is accepted and as valid as other interpretations. By the way, 2025 is the anniversary year for quantum mechanics, 100 years, a century. I cannot imagine anything as turning the understanding of the world as this. So happy anniversary to all of humanity.
Check out the full video linked in the description. Like and subscribe to get more inspiring ideas.